Hi, this example is about option sum none. Scala's option type allows you to represent a value that may or may not exist. An option can either be sum, indicating that a value is present, or none, indicating that it is absent. So here we have a method, display value. And when we pass option of a string, there is a match case. And when the string matches, it just prints the string, and get or else is an API method. So if the string is not present, then it is supposed to print NA. So case of none is nothing is present, the string is empty, then it prints the else, not applicable. So here we have option value printed, rocks, and then the string is not empty, so it again prints the rocks. When we call the display value with none, it prints none, meaning option val is empty. And then to test the API method, it prints none, sum of option value none. And when get or else is called on the none, it prints the not applicable. Thank you.